Hello everybody, today I'm going to talk to you about a very handy tool that can get you content up on YouTube relatively quickly. It's pretty nice. And it's called Repurpose.io. Repurpose.io. Once you're logged in, it says my.repurpose.io. What's nice is if I can choose to manually publish, which means I actually have to come in here and click upload, and you can see, let me show you here. All of the episodes from iTunes are located here. You can see all of the episodes. And you can see here that I have some older ones that are asking me, do you want to publish them for you? So you create a podcast, you get it up on iTunes, and this does all the rest of the work for you. So every podcast that you upload also is a new video on your YouTube channel, killing two birds with one stone. And that saves us a ton of time.